With QuickBooks Online Advanced and Spreadsheet Sync, you can access your company's info in Excel to build your own reports, measure your business performance, and edit or record transactions and other data. Let's learn how to connect Spreadsheet Sync to your QuickBooks company. Download and install Spreadsheet Sync and access reports and transactions in Excel. First, select Settings, then select Spreadsheet Sync. Here you see a brief summary of how to install Spreadsheet Sync and connect it to your company's info. Select Let's Go. Then select Open Microsoft Excel.app. Excel opens a file with the Spreadsheet Sync add-on installed. Go through the license terms, privacy policy, and permissions. Select Trust this add-in. Note that you only have to perform this installation once. After you've installed Spreadsheet Sync to Excel, you can access your company's info from the Spreadsheet Sync tab whenever you use Excel. Select Sign In, then enter your QuickBooks user ID and password to sign in. Select Continue. Choose the QuickBooks company you want to connect to Spreadsheet Sync. Even though you're signed in, you won't see any info from your company at first. From here, you can create reports. Use Excel to add or edit your QuickBooks data. You can also run reports that use data from multiple companies. If this section of the screen ever closes and you want to see your options again, select the Spreadsheet Sync tab. You can perform many of the same steps from this tab, or select Get Started to open the window again. Let's create a report. Select the company you want to run a report for, and then select Report. Select a category of reports to expand it and choose what you want or search for a report. Let's look at a profit and loss statement. Click Select Data to get and choose parameters for your report. Let's run the report on the accrual basis for this fiscal year. If you only want to see info related to a specific class, location, customer, or item, select your options or leave these blank to see everything within the date range. You can save this set of filters to save time if you want to use it again later. When you're done, select Run Report. Spreadsheet Sync lets you know when it has built the report. Select Done. Now that the report is in Excel, you can work with it like any other sheet in Excel. Select a different tab and you can insert graphs, build pivot tables to orient your data in different ways, and add formulas. Also, you can save the Excel sheet. Then, at a later date, to update data, select Current Sheet from Refresh. In addition to reports, you can also edit your QuickBooks data in Excel. Select Manage Records, then choose the type of data you want to access or post to QuickBooks. Let's work with invoices and bills and select the company you want to work in. If you want to record something new and post it to QuickBooks, enter it here, and then sync to QuickBooks. If you want to edit something already in QuickBooks, select Use My Company Data. Depending on what you are editing, you may need to select some filters before QuickBooks loads the data. Select Done. Now you have all of the selected entries in Excel where you can edit them. Record the changes you want to send to QuickBooks. Enter Yes in the Post column for those transactions, and then select Sync to QuickBooks. Select Yes to continue. Once the sync is completed, you can select View Details to see the results. Select Help to learn more about how to use Spreadsheet Sync. Now you can run and customize reports to gain insight into different aspects of your business.
Thank you.